Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Roblox face tracking not working or showing. First things first, you want to ensure that you are 13 years old or older, as face tracking is restricted for younger users. Also, verify if face tracking is available in your region by checking the Roblox status page. Check your email and phone number and confirm that your Roblox account has a link and verified email and phone number, as this is necessary for using face tracking. After that, you want to open Roblox and click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then scroll down to the Privacy section. Check then the box next to Enable Face Tracking, and ensure that your device is compatible with face tracking. Take note that it requires a webcam or camera on your laptop. Lastly, verify that the game you are playing supports face tracking, as not all games have this feature. And if you have tried all the above steps and still encounter issues, there might be a problem with the Roblox servers. So, just patiently wait until Roblox fix this issue. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you.